Best SEO to rank higher on Google, Semrush, Seranking, and Mangools. You can try their free demo version. Their links are in the description of this video. Number 1. Semrush Features. Semrush is an all-in-one marketing toolkit for digital marketing professionals. Its features include keyword research, helps find the right keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns. Competitive analysis, allows you to analyze competitors' strategies in organic and paid search. Backlink analysis, helps track backlinks and understand their quality. Site audit, identifies technical issues on your website that may affect its search engine ranking. Content marketing toolkit, assists in creating and optimizing content for better performance. Social media management, helps manage and track social media campaigns. Advertising research, provides insights into competitors' advertising strategies. Market analysis, offers data and insights to understand your market and audience better. Pricing, Semrush offers several pricing plans based on the user's needs, starting from the Pro plan at $129.95 per month to the Business plan at $499.95 per month. Custom solutions are also available for larger enterprises, too. Seranking Features. Seranking is a cloud-based SEO platform offering a range of tools for comprehensive site analysis and promotion. Its features include keyword rank tracking, monitors keyword positions in search engines. On-page SEO audit, identifies on-page issues and provides recommendations for improvement. Backlink monitoring, tracks backlinks and analyzes their quality. Competitor analysis, helps understand competitors' strategies and performance. Website audit, scans websites for technical issues affecting SEO. Keyword research, assists in finding profitable keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns. Marketing plan, provides a step-by-step plan for improving website visibility. Social media management, offers tools for managing social media profiles and analyzing performance. Pricing. Seranking offers several pricing plans, starting from the Optimum plan at $44 per month to the Enterprise plan at $191.20 per month. Custom plans are available for agencies and larger businesses. Mangools Features. Mangools is a suite of SEO tools designed for simplicity and effectiveness. Its features include keyword research, helps find profitable keywords with search volume, trends, CPC, and keyword difficulty. SERP analysis, analyzes search engine results pages, SERPs, for selected keywords. Backlink analysis, provides insights into competitors' backlink profiles. Rank tracking, monitors keyword rankings in search engines. Website analysis, evaluates website performance and identifies opportunities for improvement. Pricing. Mangools offers a range of pricing plans, starting from the basic plan at $29.90 per month to the agency plan at $89.90 per month. There's also a 10-day free trial available for new users. Each of these tools has its strengths and is suited for different needs and preferences in the SEO landscape. Depending on your requirements and budget, you can choose the one that best fits your objectives. Try their free demo version today, links in video description. Thank you for watching our video.